I got a new gel polish collection from OPUIU. I don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, okay, so I got these little swatches right here from my local beauty supply. This collection comes with a base, a matte, and a top coat. So I'm just going to organize them numerically, in numerical order. You feel me? Like do. So the first color we got is this A133. It's giving red. It's giving red. Look at that. These colors. Okay, so facts. First of all, the place I got this from oversold it to me by like $1 million. It was like 20 something dollars for this set, and then I went online and I saw it's only like $10 on Amazon. So click the link below and go ahead and get you this. Got this next color, 134. I really like this color because it's super bright and super pigmented. Like for 2 coats, for something like, you know, cheap, they're coming through. These colors are coming through. The yellow. Okay, so when I'm painting these swatches, y'all, you know that little hump right there, it just always wipes off and it's so annoying, and I just be trying my best to get it covered, but whatever. You just gotta, it's just a swatch. Don't stress it, okay? I'm really into pastel, so I'm glad that it came with some pastel colors. This is giving, it's giving Easter. You got pretty much something for every season in this collection. How do you pronounce that? OPUIU? OPUIU. Oh my god, this one, y'all. This was the worst. What is this? It's giving snot. Glittery snot. I tried to put a top coat thinking that was gonna do something to make like the sparkle, but it didn't do nothing. Then I tried to put it over this orange and it's still not doing nothing. And then I tried to go ahead and put it over some black, and I mean, it's definitely giving some shine to the stuff that's in there, but it's like, I don't know, this one's spoiled or something. So we got 138. Oh, I'm in love with these super bright colors. I love it. Green is my favorite color, if you couldn't tell. All the greens, but especially lime green. This color is the bomb, and I can't wait to use it. You know, I didn't know if people would like watch a swatch video, but I be watching them. You know, while I was editing this, I was like, oh, who's gonna sit here and watch this? But me, people like me. And that's just me like marking how to stay in the frame right there. So A139 is like a pretty minty, greenish, bluish, mermaidish, pastelish type of color. Yeah, this is one of my favorites too. Can't go wrong with a minty green. Yeah, this collection just like has some really nice color selections, honestly. A nice variety for any beginner or any pro. Also, these bottles are like super small and travel size, so it makes it like super easy for me to go out of state, do nails, and I am able to travel with like my whole collection of polishes. So that's cool. Yeah, so we have this beautiful baby blue color. How do y'all like that one? Let me know which color y'all like the most. So far for me, it's the orange. It's the orange and the lime green. Oh, this is a really pretty blue, like a blurple. Same color as my gloves, almost. Super cute. I love it. Look at that stupid little spot. It just keep disappearing. Keep on disappearing. It drives me wild. Ugh. None of these colors did anything weird under the light. They all dried perfectly. They all went on very well. So yeah, so far so good. I haven't used them on myself yet, so I don't know, like, you know, if you got sensitive skin or something. Like, it should be good, because I've used them on, you feel me, model hands and stuff. Like real human model hands. Ooh. Okay, so y'all, this is like one of my favorite ones. The glitter ones, they was glittering. And I'm not really like a glitter polish girl, but I really like the jelliness of these glitters. That's what I like about them. I'm into jelly colors for some reason, because they're just so, like, what's that word? You could just do a lot with them. Wear them with anything. Like, who's gonna question you with a jelly color? Like, feel me? So this one was pretty too. I didn't really show y'all the versions of them top coated, because the color's gonna color anyway, you feel me? This is a nice purple. It's kind of, for me, it's boring. I'm putting on the second coat there. Ooh. It's a little richer with the second coat, but it's just a little, it's not like rich deep enough for me. This is a pretty pastel color, A145. So you could do something for the club, you could do something for the summer, you could do something for Easter. You could do a lot with this collection, and it has, like, I'm gonna say between 24 and 29 colors. I guess you guys can count throughout the video, but it's something like that. I feel like it had an odd number, but I don't remember. I know it's 20 something though, I think. This color, this is one of my favorite colors from it. I don't know, I like plain colors because you could just do a lot with them. To me, but I really like this. It's like a purple based gray, a prey, we're gonna call it prey, purple based gray. And to the next color, A147, coming up right here. Ooh, luscious. Look at that pretty pink. That is a pretty pink. That is a really pretty pink. You feel me? They came through with these colors. They really did. Like, you know, I'm not lacking nothing when it comes to this collection. But in the world of polish, you could never have enough. I really like the second coat on this color. It's really pretty. It's giving perfect pink. Perfect for a baby shower. Or perfect for church. Beautiful. What is this color? I don't remember this color. Oh, okay. Okay, nude Jude. Or it's like a peach nude pink. Okay, and this is pink. This is Pepto Pink. A149 Pepto Bismol Pink. And then we have our next color that I didn't even get. I think my phone died, but this is one of my favorite colors. Bomb. Super bright. Super fire. And here goes another glitter color. Their glitters are like, I don't know, the polish in them is like kind of, well, these were a lot better than that clear one. That clear polish is just, it was like dirty looking. But these pinks, I mean, these glitters, the other glitters, they're pretty nice. Like this one, I didn't think I would like this one, but I like it. It's giving old lady at the New Year's Eve party. A little razzle dazzle. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the full collection of colors. Just click the link in my bio. Go ahead to my Amazon shop for all your little beginners and all my old folks, go ahead and get this collection. It's great to have. I do recommend 7 out of 10. Just because I ain't had a 10 out of 10. I'm just playing. Make sure you like and subscribe because I got some new stuff coming up. And thank you for tuning in. Peace.